Today, we are learning how to sound and spell CVC words. Our focus is on the letter O, which makes the short vowel sound aw. Sound the letters, say the word, then spell the word. Let's start. Sound the letters. T, aw, t, tot. Spell the word. Tot. T-O-T. Tot. Great job! Sound the letters and say the word. M-op. Mop. Now let's spell the word. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. Well done! Sound the letters and say the word. R-ought. Rot. Spell the word. Rot. R-O-T. Rot. Nice work. Sound the letters. Ought. Hot. Now let's spell the word. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Excellent. Sound the letters and say the word. D. Ought. Dot. Spell the word. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Good reading. Sound the letters. Op. Hop. Now let's spell the word. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. You are doing great. Sound the letters. Ought. Pot. Spell the word. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Amazing work!
Your companion in education.